Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create rolling credits on CapCut PC. So I'll just be using the default text here because I don't want to really search for names right now for credits. So this is just an example anyways. So just going to adjust the font size a little bit. Whoops. Okay, let's just use this as an example. You can also change the font if you'd like to. So we're going to make this a little bit longer. Go to media, go to stock materials, and select the black background here. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it and you can adjust it to whatever. Go to mask and select the mirror one and reverse that to create like this format. You're going to then select the text and you're going to place it down here. You're going to go down to position, well, in transform, I guess. Add a keyframe, and here at the end, you're going to want to grab this and place it like that. If you want it to move slower, make the duration a little bit longer like that, and it's going to move slower. And that is it. That's how you can make rolling credits on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.